Hello, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some little exercises to help you take your life a little less seriously. And one thing I think that helps you take life a little less seriously is the ability to be able to laugh at yourself and just laugh in general. It's a proven fact that when we change the face shape of our mouth into a smile, that helps to increase endorphins, the feel-good hormones into the body, because the body thinks that you're smiling. So even just doing this exercise can help increase those feel-good hormones. So I used to get people to put a pen in their mouth, which you can do, but you don't need to do that. You can just smile and you get the same benefits. So let's begin some of these other exercises, which are face yoga exercises to help you feel good, help increase those feel good hormones, and also to exercise the muscles of your face. So we're going to begin by blowing out our cheeks and sounding a little bit like a horse. So blowing out through the mouth, and then in between the breaths, we'll take a deep breath in. So as well, we're using the breath, and when we use the breath, it helps to relax our nervous system as well. So it helps work that parasympathetic system, which is more of the calming system, rather than our fight or flight, which is more of our ready, get, go, which is what we live in a lot, particularly when we're in a state of panic. So let's try this breath. So throughout the mouth, we're going to blow out. And then deep breath in. Exhale. And then in. So we're going to continue with that breath. So yours might be shorter, longer than mine. Doesn't matter. Some might be shorter. Some might be longer. Good, and release. So now we're going to do lion breath. So this time we're going to stick out our tongue nice and long. Breathe out. And at the same time, we're going to take our gaze upwards. So it looks something like this. In between, breathing in. Keep going. So this also is good if you're feeling a little bit ill, like you've got a bit of a cold or something. It's very good for your immune system. You're exercising the eyes as well by taking the gaze up. And once more. Good, and releasing. Just realised my camera wasn't on the right one. That's my camera not working. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we're going to make an O with the mouth. And take the gaze up as well. Breathing out as you make the O shape. Good. Now we're going to smile and move our tongue from side to side. So smiling with the mouth, and then sticking out your tongue, letting it go up to the top lip, and then off to one side and the other. So trying to smile, tongue to one side and the other. As though you're brushing your teeth with your tongue. Good, and release. So let's try all those again. So blowing out. Lion breath. With the tongue out, gaze up. Smiling, and tongue from left to right. Good, and releasing. So well done. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you did. Take care. Bye-bye.